What if I tell you that chatting with an AI-powered chatbot is just a click away? What will your reaction be? What will be the first question you will ask an AI chatbot? Well, we know you're going to love it. With that, we have a piece of exciting news to share with you all. Hello everyone, welcome back to ForceBolt's YouTube channel. Microsoft has launched the new AI-powered Bing recently and kept it for 1 million plus users across 169 countries, further expanding to the Bing and Edge mobile apps and Skype. Now, to make it more user-friendly, Microsoft has put a typable Windows search box and Bing's AI-powered functionality directly in the taskbar. As the search box is used by 500 million users per month, with the new AI-powered Bing, it will be easier and faster than ever for all to find the answers. Microsoft's Chief Product Officer Panos Panay stated in his blog that soon hundreds of millions of Windows 11 users could get access to this incredible new technology to search, chat, answer questions, and generate content right on their Windows taskbar. Well, you must be aware that those who signed up for the waitlist to access AI-powered Bing were on the Bing previews until now. Now they can easily access it by installing Windows 11 updates. To update the Windows, all you need to do is go to Settings, then select Check for Updates, and there you have it. Well, it will be interesting to see what more changes AI will bring in the future, thus revolutionizing our daily lives. We hope you found the information mentioned above valuable and informative. For the latest technology updates, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. We will keep you updated about AI chatbots and other technology trends. See you soon.